my mother in the village. That's what she has.
The matter of the construction of the International Specialized Hospital of Lubowa returned to the Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee, PAC. The Auditor General's report for financial year 2022-2023 indicated that 1.1 trillion shillings has so far been paid to the investor Enrica Pinetti since 2019.
A bit of a sector issue, but I think...
Today, as PAC met health ministry officials led by the permanent secretary, Dr. Diana Atwine, the matter of the engineer issuing milestone certificates of completion to the Minister of Finance and the basis upon which payments were made to the contractor was top of the agenda, as stated in the Auditor General's report.
The ministry is not very clear of what has been achieved by the contractor. It's not clear what is happening.
The Accountant General went ahead to actualize the promissory note and pay.
The work currently is at 35%. We've had challenges and the work stalled for about 1 year. But as I speak, the contractor is on the ground working. Chair, I have issued certificates for works that have been implemented. And when we walk to Lubowa, that is what I've issued the certificates for. I am not aware of overpayment.
The MPs suspected that Jojo Tim, the owner's engineer from the Ministry of Health, was holding back information and put him on oath. One of the PAC members, Nathan Nandalamafavi, objected to the act of putting someone on oath, arguing that everyone involved in awarding the contract should be held accountable.
I, Engineer George Otim, do solemnly swear that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth.
And the man might be even panicking, answering what he's not knowing. I would plead, let us give him a benefit of what? Doubt. Give the man the document, ask him tomorrow to come. Sometimes when we are protecting the interest of the country, we need to be a little tougher.
The owner's engineer was accused of making an overpayment of 286 billion shillings towards a project he has been unable to supervise.
The overpayment was that you issued certificates, misleading certificates. So for me, Honorable Nandalamafavi, I don't see any reason as to why the engineer cannot respond to his activity.
So we have basically issued milestone completion certificates as per the project performance budget, which outlines the key activities that are supposed to be completed within the project.
The committee will visit the site next Monday.
I'm going to ask the PS that on Monday at 8, this committee accompanies you. You lead this committee to Lubowa site to physically go and see the progress. We will not depend on a report. Building construction is visible.
And therefore, you are welcome to inspect.
And we are going with your ministry.
Yes, we shall be there. You are right to bring the issues of Lubowa. It has also been equally our concern. We want to see that project really completed.
Because different officials and MPs have been denied entry to the site that is tightly guarded, it remains to be seen if the committee will be allowed to access, even with the Ministry of Health's assurance. Juma Kiria, NTV.
Can we do a win-win?